Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 28th, 2026, and we're diving into Textron's recently released fourth quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Textron has delivered a robust set of results for Q4 2025, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and discuss their future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Textron reported a revenue of $4.2 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 16% increase from the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Textron's revenue growth is primarily driven by strong performance in their aviation and Bell segments. Aviation saw a significant increase in aircraft deliveries, while Bell benefited from higher military revenues, particularly from the MV-75 program. This robust performance translated into a segment profit of $1.4 billion for the full year, up 14% from the previous year.
And how did they fare in terms of earnings per share?
Textron reported an adjusted EPS of $0.73 for the quarter, which is just shy of the $0.74 forecasted by analysts. Despite this slight miss, the overall financial health and growth trajectory of the company remains strong.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Textron's operational efficiencies seem to be paying off. Can you tell us more about their cash flow and capital allocation strategies?
Absolutely. Textron generated $1.3 billion in net cash from operating activities for the full year, which is a testament to their efficient operations. They also returned $822 million to shareholders through share repurchases, indicating a strong commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
Looking ahead, what does Textron's 2026 outlook look like?
Textron is forecasting revenues of approximately $15.5 billion for 2026, with an adjusted EPS range of $6.40 to $6.60. This outlook reflects their confidence in continued growth, supported by significant bookings and healthy demand across their markets.
Segment performance highlights. Let's delve into the performance of Textron's individual segments. How did each segment contribute to the overall results?
Textron Aviation led the charge with a 36% increase in revenue, driven by higher aircraft deliveries. Bell also performed well, with an 11% increase in revenue, thanks to the MV-75 program. Textron Systems saw a modest 4% growth, while the industrial segment faced a 5% decline due to the divestiture of the powersports business.
It seems like the aviation and Bell segments are the stars of the show. What about the challenges faced by the industrial segment?
The industrial segment's decline was largely due to the strategic divestiture of the powersports business. However, this move is part of Textron's broader strategy to streamline operations and focus on core areas with higher growth potential.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Textron CEO Lisa M. Atherton mentioned several strategic initiatives in her statement. Can you elaborate on these?
CEO Lisa M. Atherton highlighted the completion of 3 certification programs in aviation, which is a significant achievement. Bell's military revenue grew by 20% for the second consecutive year, driven by the MV-75 program. Additionally, Textron Systems secured key wins, positioning the business for future growth.
It sounds like Textron is making strategic moves to ensure long-term success. How do these initiatives align with their overall growth strategy?
These initiatives are aligned with Textron's strategy to invest in high-growth areas and enhance their product offerings. By focusing on certifications, military programs, and key wins, Textron is well-positioned to drive growth and create long-term value for shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Textron has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2025, with significant revenue growth and strategic initiatives setting the stage for a promising 2026. John, any final thoughts on Textron's investment prospects?
Textron's robust financial performance, strategic focus on high-growth areas, and strong 2026 outlook make it an attractive investment opportunity. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of strategic initiatives and market conditions.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Textron's performance in the comments below.